There's nothing better than getting your bike back after it was quote unquote tuned up and hearing stuff rubbing and scraping. You know, it's almost like you didn't drop your bike off for a week and a half to have it tuned up, and yay, now it's back and more out of tune than it was when you gave it to them. I just freaking love it. You know, gotta love your local bike shop, right? People want to cry and, oh, it's your local bike shop that supports, you know, you're this and you're that. And when you don't buy your stuff from your local bike shop, you're not supporting them. Well, you know what? My local bike shop doesn't do what they're paid to do. And that's not true. Because technically my local bike shop, I don't ever take my bike there. Because they're a Cannondale dealership. So it's my not as local bike shop that I took the bike to, only to have it come back to me in worse condition than when it left. What the hell's up with that? I don't know. Yeah, it's skipping gears. And my brakes are rubbing. I'm pissed. I know what can I expect, right? It was a free tune-up. I mean, when I bought my bike there, they gave me 5 free tune-ups. So I can't expect all 5 to be good, right? Stupid. Trying to be positive, try not to be negative. Be positive, don't be negative. Be positive, don't be negative. Think happy thoughts. Anyway, guys, I'm just glad my bike is back. I'm glad my baby's here. It's so much better. It's a better bike. It's my baby. I just wish they hadn't abused you. I'm so sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. They was not nice to you, was they? Listen to that. This is my freshly tuned bike from Taylor's Bike Shop. It's my rear brake. That's all that it is. And of course I can fix it. Why can I fix it? Well, because I went to my local bicycle collective and I donated some time and I learned how to work on my bike. So now I can do it. The sad part is that I have to do it. That the guys who get paid money dollars to do this returned my bicycle not in the same condition as when it left. Bullshit. It's bullshit. Come on, pass me. Come on.